keep everything nice and rigid. The actual quality looks quite good. This has got the standard setup with a dog on the back, which engages with the spanner mounting point, which is here. And then of course your disc goes on like so, and you can then just pull up on it with the screw down. Yeah, everything seems to be good and fitting well. And then it's just a matter of nip it up with a little pin wrench. She's good to go. So now you're good to stick that in the electric drill and get working. So, I mean, if you've got a thicker disc, such as this style, well then you flip the outer mantle around so that it then goes into the centre. So in this case you would then, whoops, put it on like that. You can see it's only going in half the depth, so instead of going that way you put it on that way, so it's then supporting into the throat of the disc. And that comes up nice and flush, so it's made correctly. There's enough thread there. All in all, yeah, it's a nice unit. I think that would be great. It looks to be good quality steel. Now, with this, as I said, I was wondering whether this would actually fit the Hilda. Obviously, using these sort of discs in an electric drill won't spin anywhere near as fast as an angle grinder. Angle grinder is going to be spinning at 10,000 RPM. That's pretty much the norm. Electric drill, the fastest speed you're going to get